Assalamu alaikum. Our today's video is about square and square roots. Square of a number means to multiply a number by itself. For example, 1 square means 1 multiplied by 1, which is equal to 1. 3 square means 3 multiplied by 3. The answer is 9. We can simply understand it by using multiplication table. In the multiplication table, when 1 is multiplied by 1, we get 1. When 2 is multiplied by 2, we get 4. When 3 is multiplied by 3, we get 9, and similarly so on. As a result, we get a diagonal of a square which has the numbers 1, 4, 9, 16, 25, 36, 49, 64, and so on. All these numbers are the squares of first 8 natural numbers. The interesting thing about squares is they always give a positive result. When we square a negative numbers, the answer is positive because negative times a negative gives a positive result. While talking about the squares, different statements are used. For example, square of a number, which means 25 is the square of 5. Squaring a number, which means multiplying by the number by itself. A squared number, for example, 100 is a square number. 3 squared means 3 square is 9. What is the square of 9? The square of 9 is 81. And the perfect square are same as square number. Perfect square means numbers which can be arranged in a square shape. For example, here we have 4 which can be arranged as 4 blocks or squares. 9 which can be arranged as 9 squares. But 5 cannot be arranged in a square as 5 squares. Square root of a number is a value that can be multiplied by itself to give the original number. For example, square root of 4 means 2, as 2 multiplied by 2 is equal to 4. Finding square root is the opposite process of finding squares. A square root of a number is a value that when multiplied by itself gives the original number. For example, we have 16 squares that are formed by 4 multiplied by 4, so 4 is the root of 16. Or we can say minus 4 is the root of 16. A square root can also be defined as a fractional exponent of 1/2, but this statement is true only when x is greater than or equal to 0. The concept of square roots can be easily understood by using multiplication table. In the multiplication table, the squared values lie on the diagonal of the table, and their roots lie in the first row or the first column as the first natural numbers. In this case, they are first 8 natural numbers. The symbol used for expressing the square roots is called the radical sign or the radical symbol. The value under the radical sign is called radicand. This is how we can find the square root of a perfect square. There are two methods to find the square roots. The first one is prime factorization, in which we factorize the number into its prime factors and pair them up. The second method is division method, which is more convenient and easy to solve as compared to prime factorization method. Some more examples are there for both methods. As Pi Day, Square Root Day is also celebrated. The 4th of April 2016 is the Square Root Day because the date looked like 4/4/16. The next after that is the 5th May of 2025, 5/5/25. Squares and square roots have vast applications in geometry, algebra, and many other fields. Among them, we are discussing a few. Squares play a key role in explaining Pythagoras' theorem. and carpenters use Pythagoras theorem for determining materials for a job. Similarly, architects need to build large buildings and use square roots and right angles in the blueprints. While constructing a bridge, engineers need to use Pythagoras theorem and squares to determine the support structure. Flooring a square room, tiling, bricks, wallpapers, etc. all need the methods of squares and square roots.